Okay, so at the end of the day, had a good day, got all the floor trusses set. So let's jump back to the beginning of the day. Good morning. First thing we're going to do this morning is we have to get this flush header in above this window. So there's a header to support the floor and the roof over this opening because there's no room for a header here. First thing is to confirm that these are in fact top mount hung floor trusses. So I'm going to look for MF04. Here is MF04 and their top mount, top cord hung. Yeah, I need 3 of them and I see all 3. Okay, first thing, what do we got for distance here? We've got 61. I'm going to go 3 inches on either side, so we're 64, 67. I'm looking for 0 beam 2. Uh, 61, 64, 67. Let's go 69. Okay, so you want to build this thing 15 inches tall. So 2 blocks at 15 inches. These guys are 9.5 inches. So take 9.5 inches off of 15 and you have 5.5. Okay, so we want to laminate these 2 plies, flush everything up. Okay. Put one of these, call this a stud, on the side, flush it up nice. Same thing on the other side. Roll it. Take your cripples or trimmers. And repeat on the other side. Okay, so we want to carry this up. I'll just use my framing square, bring it up. Now, if you remember correctly, I overbuilt this by 2 inches. So 1 inch on either side. This add 4.5 brings me to here. This is where one of the studs go, and that way. Let's go get the header. And that's it. Now we have to get the layout on top. I'm gonna, this here measurement to my layout mark is 3/8 of an inch. Hang my tape over 3/8 of an inch. Wrong side, that X. Okay. And that is how a flush header should look when it's done. This poor GoPro. Okay, we'll snap this line. It's very nice and calm out. Come in 4 feet. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. You all take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.